Hello. Thank you for calling the Gourmet Garden. This is Emily speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Emily. I'd like to make a reservation for me and my family.
Of course. What day and time would you like to come in?
We'd like to come this Saturday at 1 p.m. for lunch.
Got it. How many people will be in your group?
There will be 6 of us, 4 adults and 2 kids.
Great. Do you have a preference for where you'd like to sit? We have outdoor seating, indoor seating, and a smoking area.
We'd like to sit indoors, please, and definitely not in the smoking area.
No problem. I've noted that. Do you need a high chair or anything special for the kids?
Yes. 1 high chair for my youngest, please.
Got it. Would you like to pre-order drinks to have them ready when you arrive?
Sure. We'd like a pitcher of lemonade and 4 sparkling waters.
Excellent choice. And would you like to give us an idea of what you're thinking for lunch? Or would you prefer to decide when you arrive?
Let me think. We'll probably order when we get there, but we're definitely interested in trying the pasta dishes.
Wonderful. Our pasta is very popular. And for dessert, do you want to pre-order something, or will you decide later?
We'll decide later, but I've heard your chocolate lava cake is amazing, so we'll probably get that.
It is one of our best. So, just to confirm, you've reserved a table for 6 people, indoors, at 1 p.m. this Saturday. 1 high chair for a child, a pitcher of lemonade, and 4 sparkling waters to start. Does everything look correct?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help, Emily.
My pleasure, John. We look forward to seeing you and your family this Saturday. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
Goodbye.